Hi, I'm Gary. Let's enjoy English together. Today's targets are 1. My room
私の部屋
and 2. Review from A to Z.
フォニックスの復習 A から Z まで
Don't forget, let's start the DVD lesson. Next, let's do some actions. Today, I want you to challenge them by yourself, okay?
今日は自分で頑張ってみてほしいんだ。
I will give you the gesture and you do the actions.
先生がジェスチャーをするから、あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Bow down. Shake out. Chew through. Blow out. Get behind. Get in front. Sit down. Okay, good job. Finally, I will say only the words and you do the actions.
最後に先生は言葉だけ言うよ。あなたは動いてね。
Are you ready? Stand up. Bow down. Shake out. Chew through. Blow out. Get behind. Get in front. Sit down. Excellent! Next week, I will show you new actions.
来週は新しい動きをやるよ。
Goodbye. Hi, it's phonics time. Okay, this week we're going to review the letters from A to Z.
今週はフォニックスの復習 A から Z までと
and the sounds from A to Z.
アルファベットの音 A から Z まで
First, we're going to do the letters from A to Z.
まずアルファベットの名前 A から Z までを言おう。
Are you ready? 1, 2. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very good. Okay, let's do the sounds from A to Z.
次にアルファベットの音 A から Z までを言おう。
Are you ready? 1, 2. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, M, N, O, P, K, R, S, T, A, V, W, X, Y, Z. Well done! Next week, let's start something new.
来週は新しいのを始めよう。
See you next time!
See you next time.
Who's that? It's time to sing. Let's sing the song Teddy Bear together. Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, show your foot. Teddy bear, that will do. Well done. Next time, we'll sing a new song. Are you excited? Yes? Me too. Goodbye. It's vocabulary time. Let's review the words you learned last time. It's a ceiling. It's a door. It's a floor. It's a wall. It's a window. Next, I'm going to give you a small hint. Try to say the answer before I tell you what it is.
先生が答えを言う前に、あなたが答えてね。
Are you ready? What's this? It's a door. What's this? It's a floor. What's this? It's a wall. What's this? It's a window. What's this? It's a ceiling. Could you say them all? Well done. Hi! It's chance time. Let's enjoy doing the chants. This week, I want you to challenge them by yourself. I will do the actions and you speak.
先生が動いてみせるから、あなたはチャンスを言ってね。
Are you ready? Good job! Hi, it's book time! This week is the last time for the story. I will read the story to you in English only. Please enjoy it together with me. The title is My Room, written by Gary and Akiko. This is my room. It's nice. It has a bed. Where are the books? They are in the bookshelf and on the desk. Do you have a teddy bear? It's behind me. There it is. Your room is very cute. The end. How was that? Next week, I will read you a new story. Goodbye.
Hi, my name's Max.
My name is Carla.
My name is Linda.
Now let's play the sound guessing game.
ねえ、音を当てる遊びをしようよ。
Somebody says tree. Guess who?
誰かな？当ててね。Free!
Tree.
Tree.
Who said tree?
誰が言ったのかな？
I did. I said tree.
Oh, Max said tree.
マックスが言ったんだね。
Did you get it?
君はわかったかな？
By the way, what did you say, Linda?
ところで、リンダはなんて言ったの？
I said three. Three.
I see.
なるほど。
How about you, Carla? Carla?
カラはどう？カラ？ I said free. Free.
I see.
なるほど。
Bye, everybody. See you next time.
Hey, how was that? Now today's DVD lesson is over. Can you remember today's targets? Today's targets were 1. My room, and 2. Phonics from A to Z. Don't forget. See you next time. Goodbye.